start?
Yes, yes.
Continue.
Aviation engineer, Mr. Brentford. Checking if the flight is ready to go. Okay.
This is the fuel sample
Okay,
for
Captain.
the aircraft. So this fuel is
Yeah.
called 100 LL.
Okay.
Yeah, it's specially used for this type of aircraft.
Okay.
Yeah, the aircraft is XTR,
Okay.
A6 XTR,
Copy.
German made.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's specially used for aerobatics.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, for aerobatics. So as time goes